new ones in there. Okay, so today we're just going to do a quick demo of the new side puller, show how easy it is to install. And it is installed. Run the winch line right through there. And over to the casualty. This allows you to leave the bed in the locked position. Typically, we wouldn't use the V-bridle for recovery. This is just, again, demonstrating the side puller. Again, it allows you to leave the bed in the fully locked position. There you go, that easy. Then you're ready to take it off. Put it back in the truck. That simple, that quick.